Let's be real, traditional puja decorations are hard. Hello YouTube friends, Namaste, how are you? If you are wondering why is Manas looking so sanskari today, well, I have a very special video for you. So, one of my friends had his housewarming ceremony, and me and a few of my other friends helped him in all the decorations, and it's gonna be a very eco-friendly, all-natural floral decoration that you can get inspired for your next puja or ceremony or any festival or any ritual that you may have. So I thought I'll record everything and kind of make a vlog kind of a video for all of you all to just have a look at what happened in that housewarming puja. Stay tuned. Indian traditional decor cannot be imagined without marigold flowers. With their bright yellow and orange colors, they fill the space with a very lovely warmth. To add some more color, we also got white chrysanthemums, roses, and these garlands of alternate white and purple chrysanthemums. But these orange chrysandras, lotus buds, and these huge banana leaves. We utilize the curtain rods to hang these flower garlands. To highlight the red color of the rose garland, we layered it with the white garland so that the red color pops out. This vessel is called an urli and is generally filled with water, and then flowers are added to it, and it is generally kept near the front door to welcome the guests. For hanging the garlands on the door frame, we are going to use command hooks. Now these hooks comes in various sizes and capacities. We are going to use the small ones. Command hooks are a great solution for hanging stuff on the walls without drilling or damaging the walls permanently. This is my favorite part of the decor. This is a traditional style rangoli which is made from the petals of flowers. A rangoli is usually made near the main entrance of the house to welcome the guests. This is how the entrance looks. This is how the main setup looks in the morning. So we have the puja setup here. These banana leaves look so pretty. This is how the flower decorations look in the balcony. Wait. Don't you dare leave this window without liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Let's be real. You know this and I know this that you were thoroughly entertained, weren't you? So go ahead, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I post content regularly and I promise to keep you entertained. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.